Hey Legend fans, Jake here, and today we're going to be going through a full walkthrough of our brand new Legend 16 Fun. Now aboard the 16 Fun, I just want to show you guys a couple features up at the front of the boat here, or the bow. First one being this beautiful chaise lounger. It's nice and comfortable. As you can see, I have my feet up, plenty of room here for me to lay down, or if we are accompanied by a second passenger, I can turn to the side and there's plenty of room for them to sit. The nice thing is you're not sharing any cup holders. There's two built into the seat here, along with this blue, beautiful stitching around it. Kind of gives it that nice accent. And this being a pontoon boat, you know that the seats don't lack any storage. So if you flip up the seat underneath, you can see the rotocast molding compartments, along with the front seat being a separate one as well. Moving over to the port side of the boat, accompanying our chaise lounger is a secondary lounger on this side. It does still have your storage compartments underneath, along with two cup holders for the passengers, as well as this massive storage compartment here that does double up as an armrest for anyone sitting in here. Moving to the stern of the boat here, but still on that port side, is going to be your third lounging chair. You can utilize the armrest storage compartment here that's attached to the front one, which is great. And this is a great spot to get out of the sun, as this boat does come standard with a full-size bimini top. So anywhere back here, you are going to be out of the sun. Which is great, is you still have your two cup holders and you still have that full storage compartment underneath. Another cool feature is in the corner here, you actually have a dedicated compartment just for your marine starting battery. Now moving over to the helm of the boat here, first thing I want to touch on is how much room there is here. You can see my feet are spread right out. Plenty of room here sitting in the captain's chair. If you do need to get in that driving position or get a little bit more comfortable, it is equipped with a seat slider, and I can move right forward to where I'm comfortable. The seat is equipped with two armrests. They do come up. It's a very comfortable seat. And then over at the dash here, so starting out, we have our RPM gauge along with our fuel gauge. Next thing is our built-in Bluetooth stereo. It is equipped with two speakers up at the front of the boat. It puts plenty of sound through the boat and sounds great. Coming over to the right side, you have your ignition along with your nav and anchor lights. We do have our horn over here on the right as well. Okay, lastly, on this rotocast console, I slide my seat back here. I do have plenty of room to get to my storage compartment underneath. So I want to fit that manual or that dry bag or anything important underneath. I have lots of room in there. So this boat comes equipped with the DuraWeave flooring. This stuff's very nice. It has a little cushion to it and it is waterproofed and it's very, very easy to clean. Just spray anything on there and wipe it right off. So moving to the stern or the back of the boat here, we do have our secondary boarding gate, along with some additional walking space at the back here, which is covered in that DuraWeave flooring. It's very nice. It gives you tons of room to walk around for any water sports, for swimming, anything like that. Along with swimming, you have that oversized boarding ladder to get back into the boat if needed. And something new here for our smaller pontoons, especially in that 16-foot size, is we added an internal gas tank. It's a 75-liter tank. We just want to make sure you have as plenty of time out on the water as possible. If you like the Fun series, it is available in the 16, 18, and 20-foot sizes. Hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.